Join me in painting this beautiful Christmas card using watercolor. The sketch needed for this painting is given here and the link to the sketch is given in the description from where you can download the image. I start by wetting the background. You can see I wet only certain area of the background. I intentionally preserve the bottom area as paper white to visually convey the presence of snow. After wetting the background using medium value of ultramarine, I paint the background. I place the masking tape under the board as shown in the video so that the board gets tilted approximately to 30-degree angle. This tilting helps the excess watercolor pigment to flow downward without forming any cauliflower effect. While the paper is still wet, I'm using indigo pigment to paint the distant blurred pine trees. After painting with indigo, tilt the board even more to make the pigment to move downward. All the excess pigment that is collected near the tape is wiped using a wastecloth. Don't skip this step because this step helps to avoid formation of cauliflower effect. I'm adding another layer of pine trees while the paper is still wet. You can see the indigo pigment is not moving much out of its place. This is because there is not too much of water in the pigment. After painting with indigo and cleaning the edges of the masking tape using wastecloth, I place the board on a flat surface. Then I notice that the edge of the background is overly neat. I don't want it to be so perfect, so I add some ridges to create the realistic and natural appearance of snow. While the background gradually dries, it's time to paint the shadow of the teddy bear. First I wet the shadow area, then using light value of ultramarine blue, I paint the shadow. For the darkest part of the shadow, I use dark value of ultramarine. After painting the shadow part of the teddy bear, I allow the paper to dry completely. When the paper is completely dry, it's time to paint the teddy bear. I'm applying burnt umber to paint the teddy bear, adjusting between light, medium, and dark values based on specific areas that require varying tones. I'm employing medium value for the head and the tummy of the teddy bear, as you can see in the video. You can see I'm employing a dark value of burnt umber around the eyes and nose. Also, I'm applying dark value under the scarf, under the arms, and near the legs. You can see I applied light value near the nose and mouth of the teddy bear. And also for the paw of the teddy bear, I'm going to apply a very light value. I use indigo pigment to paint the eyes, nose and mouth of teddy bear. Next, I paint the scarf using vermilion hue. Every stroke that I make on the scarf is a curved line which indicates that there is a fold of on the scarf, so it won't be a perfect straight line, right? The scarf I'm painting gives a cozy feel to this winter scene. It also gives a festive mood to the painting. Using light value of ultramarine blue, I paint the shadow area of the scarf. Then I splatter acrylic white for the falling snow. We reached the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.